A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or a noun phrase. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition of the same noun or noun phrase in a sentence, and they help to make sentences clearer and more concise. There are several types of pronouns in English, including personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things, and they can be used as the subject or object of a sentence. There are different types of personal pronouns based on the gender, number, and case of the noun they are replacing. Subject pronouns. I, singular. You, singular or plural. He, singular male. She, singular female. It, singular neutral. We, plural. They, plural. Object pronouns. Me, singular. You, singular or plural. Him, singular male. Her, singular female. It, singular neutral. Us, plural. Em, plural. Example. She went to the store. Subject pronoun. I gave her the book. Object pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same person or thing. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to the end of a personal pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. Myself. Yourself. Himself. Herself. Itself. Ourselves. Themselves. Example. I cut myself with a knife. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point to specific people or things. They can indicate whether something is close or far away, singular or plural. Demonstrative pronouns. This, singular, close. That, singular, far. These, plural, close. Those, plural, far. Example. This is my favorite book. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession of something. They can replace possessive adjectives, like my, your, his, her, its, our, their, in a sentence. Possessive pronouns. Mine. Yours. His. Hers. Its. Ours. Theirs. Example. That book is mine. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect two clauses in a sentence, and they refer to a noun or pronoun mentioned earlier in the sentence. Relative pronouns. Who, referring to people. Whom, referring to people. Whose, referring to possession of people or things. Which, referring to things. That, referring to people or things. Example. The woman, who is my neighbor, is a doctor. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things in a general or nonspecific way. They can be singular or plural, and some can be used as both a pronoun and an adjective. Indefinite pronouns. Anyone. Anything. Anywhere. Everything. Everywhere. Somebody. Something. Somewhere. Nobody. Nothing. Nowhere. Each. Either. Neither.